this thing over so I can do something with it here?
Yeah, I was thinking probably you do have a selfie stick which has a tripod also, something like that.
A tripod. What's it? Oh yeah. I do.
So, oh, your picture is
Yeah, I don't
completely.
know. I think I need to do something like this.
Yeah. Okay.
There. That's
Yeah.
better.
Yeah. Yeah. If you use the tripod and fix um, the maybe your phone to show your laptop, like you were showing trying to do that yesterday, but you were holding it by hand,
Yeah.
which is painful.
Yeah. Let's see. So what was I using on the phone? Like just the camera, I guess, eh?
um
No.
no, you were
No.
using
No. A hangout and sharing screen.
yeah, no, not sharing screen. You were just doing on the phone. You joined the hangout, but when you did that, you had to reduce the volume of the phone down to zero
Yeah.
and mute its microphone.
Yes. Yes. So we don't break everybody's ears off.
There's only me now, but yeah.
So let's see if that's about the right height. I'm not sure. We'll see.
Reduce the phone volume down to zero, um, and then
Yeah.
yeah.
And I was going to try to move the camera to the back, but I don't know if there's a way to do that.
Which camera? The webcam.
Phone camera.
Oh,
Join video. Let's see.
yeah. With the tripod, you can.
Front-facing camera. There we go. I did it.
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute now. Is that what I want to do?
But you haven't joined the Hangout on the phone.
Yeah, but just a minute.
Okay.
I might need to. Let's see if that works. No, maybe I need it. I need it the other way, this way now, just because of using the selfie stick. So let's go back. Join the call. It says call has ended.
Oh, no. Oh, probably you went to the yesterday's.
I don't think so. Let's go back. No, it's that one. Again, I keep getting the same message. That's odd.
I did. Okay. Check your email on the phone. I did use the chipmunk
Yeah,
tool.
I saw that. Yeah, let's
Yeah.
see.
I think
No,
you would have received the green room link
yes, but I
email.
don't want mail. I want calendar.
Why calendar?
Because your thing is in my calendar.
Oh no. Yeah, that's
But there's no link in there.
no,
Okay.
in the email there must be the green room link email, unless there was some
Here it
problem
is.
with chipmunk.
Here it is. I found it.
Yeah. It is saying there is one viewer. I wonder who that is.
Heidi, I just
Oh,
got a message. Says the same thing. Call has ended.
that's weird. Who can that be? Let me paste the link again. I don't see. I'm pasting it into the text chat.
Heidi is.
Yeah, if you see the text chat on the phone, you should see the link again. I don't see it, there is any change.
I'm just sending Heidi a message here.
Oh,
She had the same problems with her Hangout this week.
oh, her Hangout.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. It
Same
could be.
problems. The same problems I had.
Oh, it probably due to Windows doing something. I don't know.
Okay, so you sent another message in Hangouts?
Yeah.
Got the same message. Hangout on air is ended.
Oh, could it be because could it be because we are already on air? But that's what we did yesterday.
I know. Maybe, just a minute now. Let's go to here and go to here. There.
Oh, that started another call.
Did it?
Yeah.
So what I was trying to do,
Hit the video button there.
that's what I was trying to do. Yeah.
Yeah, it tried to start another video call. Why would it not allow Theoretically, it should. I should be able to join. Let us see.
It says active just now. Let me see what else is in here. No. Oh, it says ongoing call. All right, let's hit that one.
Actually, I see a. I don't know whether you can read it. There is the Hangout on air. This video call will be streamed live on video, Google Plus and video YouTube. Blah blah blah. And I am supposed to tick a little checkbox. Only then the proceed button is active. Can you see that? Yeah, it's barely able to focus. See that?
Yeah. But I don't get that when I. No. It started like I'm in the. Let me show you where I am.
I did. I joined. And I dropped out. Anyway.
Well, it says you are in this video call. Okay, on my desktop, I can get to it. It says I'm in it. But
Yeah.
why can't I get to it from my phone?
From my phone, it's able to. I'm able to join. Oh, when you click on that, does it ask you to choose a account?
No. Yes.
For me, it shows me my two choices.
Yeah. See, it just keeps. It does the same thing. This call has ended.
See.
I don't understand this. It does not make any sense. Just keep saying it that it's ended. It doesn't. I mean.
Yeah. Incidentally, even I saw that message pop up saying has ended, but it did allow me to join just now. It says call. It said call has ended. That message, that little thing popped up, but it then connected.
No. It says this call will be streamed on Google.
Yeah. There is a tick box.
Oh, here it's at the bottom. Okay. Proceed. All right.
Yeah. Now you are connected.
Sorry, just a minute. I had the volume turned down, but
Microphone.
It went up again. It went up again.
Microphone needs to be muted.
It is. It is. But I'm still hearing myself on this. Weird.
The volume is not zero.
Down is far. Wait now. Just a minute.
For volume, I think it shows you 2 or 3 volumes, different volumes. Ring volume, speaker, music volume, and notification volume, something like that. Three or four different volumes.
Okay. I'm still hearing myself. Try it again. There's one that I can't get right down to zero.
Oh.
It's a minute now.
We certainly are doing things that
frustration. So isn't that interesting? In the Hangout, it shows both my. Oh, there. Try that. No.
Yeah. Microphone on that is muted now.
But I'm still hearing. I'm still hearing stuff through the phone.
You have your earbuds handy, or are they
somewhere? What's going on with this? Oh, I see what's wrong. Okay. I'm still hearing through the earbuds.
You're plugged in the earbuds into what?
The phone.
Okay. Point it at the laptop screen and Needs to go a little down, I think. Camera. Yeah.
I'm just wondering if I shouldn't turn some lights off though, because there's a glare.
Mm.
Oh, I see what's wrong. If I take this down, will that make a difference? No. It's the light from up there that's causing the problem on the screen.
It's okay. Let's get to the.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. If you put the DVD in and
I have to turn it on first.
yeah. Reboot.
You mean now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it says preparing auto repair, and it never actually does. So. I would say let it boot into the DVD. Is that logo green or blue?
It's green.
Ah, on screen it looks blue.
Does it? Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, even the background looks blue, doesn't it?
Yeah. Anyway, it's the camera picking the wrong color or. Yeah, while it is doing that, I actually wanted to ask you something about the VCP plugin that you are using and how you're using in your success circle. I mean, how do you show it on your website?
Right. What would you like to know?
Because I was trying to figure out, I have been trying to do some experiments with the VCP, and I found that same VCP page, if you I mean, you create a VCP page and then you get the short code
Yep.
and then put that short code in another page or a post.
Um,
So what I found was when you do that, depending on the post or the page, the comment stream would change. If you put the same short code into a completely new uh, page,
yeah,
then it starts an entirely new comment
yeah,
stream.
that's what you want for each new session.
Yeah, but I was confused as to then how are you able to achieve on your website you have um, at the bottom you have um, a link, and then from that link you take the viewers to the VCP page for that week,
Yeah,
and then once the event is over, after that you move that page to some other
I
um,
don't move it to anywhere. I just I I I put a link to it
mhm.
on another page. I have a page that has all the lists all the past sessions.
Okay.
And so, and the other thing that I do is I don't use a post, I use a page.
Oh, I thought
And part of the reason I use a page rather than a post seemed to have something to do with my because you don't want to have a sidebar on that page.
mhm,
So sometimes if you got your posts set up so that they have a sidebar, then
mhm.
yeah. So I do for each new session I do a new page.
Oh, and then when the event is over, then what do you do?
Nothing. I just create a new page for the new event.
Oh, but you still have the you
Old
then
the old page is there, and on the previous pieces, I link back to the page that where it was done.
hmm. So you're changing the link on the menu that is accessible.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. The what I do on that oh, it's easier to show it to you. Wait, no, just a minute. I should click on this.
um,
Install.
yeah, yeah. Click on install, and yeah, I can't really see what it is, what options it is giving. Can you read? No, don't worry about the camera. You can read what it. Uh,
Excuse me. Um, it says I don't want to connect to a Wi-Fi right
oh,
now.
it's about the Wi-Fi. Okay.
So now I have to dig out my password again.
Okay.
And it's going to take a few minutes for it to find, I think.
Mm. Coughing.
Yeah. I think
So
that's it. E.
So you were saying Heidi also had the same problem, and but I thought she had a MacBook. She had an Apple Mac, isn't it?
I do believe she does use a Mac, yes.
Hmm. But not always. I understand, because in one of the shows she did say that for some reason she's forced to use a Windows laptop or something like that. So, or a desktop, something like that. Anyway, so she has both, I think. And in which one did she have problems?
I don't know.
Hmm.
I'm just going from some messages. I haven't talked to her because
Okay. Yeah.
I was just what happened here? Let's try that again. 2, 5, 1, 1, 5. B. 0, 4, 2, 7, 9, 4. 2, 5, 1, 1, 5.
I think
B.
it is
0.
quite possible that she is watching again. Heidi may be watching. I don't know. There is one viewer.
Okay, now it's trying to connect with the internet. Yep, it's done that.
Mm-hmm. If it has connected, I think you need to probably press the next.
Continue.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. Download updates while installing and install third party. So the last time we chose the second option.
Mhm. Yeah.
You still want to? That one?
Yeah.
Just clicking along here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you selected the install the third party thing, and
Yep.
then
Yep.
selected continue.
Yep.
Okay.
It's just the little wheels going around. That's all.
Yeah. Yeah. Um, I think when it comes to it, hopefully will ask you where you want to install or something like that. How you want to install.
Okay, I was going to show you the page that I use. Where is it? Here we go. All right, I can share screen.
Mm-hmm.
So this, I have a page that's just called upcoming.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the one that it has a video in it explaining everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I have click here for live broadcast and there both.
Okay.
So I just put a link to the new page in on behind that.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
that's just an image, and which is linked to the.
So when I just put a link in behind it. See?
Okay. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
So that's, yeah.
So that link will be changing
Change
every
every
week.
every week. Yeah.
But once you create that link, that page you are not going to change. You are going to just paste that
Change
link
the link.
here, and
Yeah.
yeah. What happens for the um,
Oh,
previous
here.
ones?
Oh, I'll show that to you for in a minute. That now it says this computer currently has Windows 10 and Ubuntu 16.04 on it.
Mm-hmm.
What would you like to do? Now, it's the first choice is erase Ubuntu LTS and reinstall.
Mm-hmm.
The next one says erase disk and install Ubuntu.
Okay.
Then the next one is encrypt the new Ubuntu-Mate installation for security.
Mm-hmm.
And then the next one is use LVM with the new Ubuntu-Mate installation. And then something else.
Oh, probably we should use the something else option.
Okay.
It should now show you the what it has found about the disk.
It's at the top, it says it's still turning, but at the top, it says installation type.
Mm.
And down below, there's a blank. What does that say? No, there's nothing in it. Device for bootloader installation. Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Now I've got one. The first one is DEV/SDA.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's DV/SDA1
Yeah.
.ntfs.
Uh-huh.
And
That's
that's
your Windows.
the Windows loader. And then the next one is SDA2. And it says so many megabytes unknown. And then 6 extension 4
Mm-hmm.
is so many megabytes. Ubuntu 16.4.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's an SDA 5 that says so many megabytes and unknown.
Oh, okay.
And then down at the bottom, it says device for bootloader installation.
Mm-hmm.
I can click on that little downward. And one of them says that ATA thing. And then another one is the Windows. And then like all these other things, or at least some of them, the 2 and the 6 are down in that thing down below.
Mm. Mm. Okay. What what you
The
need
one
to
the one that wasn't there before is the one that says SDA6 EXT4.
Mm-hmm.
I don't remember seeing that there before.
You did say SDS6.
Yes, but it shows additional information that wasn't there before.
Mm. Okay. Top if you hit the down arrow, does anything happen? No, not. Don't touch the mouse on the keyboard. Hit the down arrow.
No,
Anything? No.
no.
Oh, I think that again. I think there is something changing in the up arrow. Try up arrow. Yeah, there is something
Yeah,
is changing there. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. Um, on if you click the mouse on that, that's because you selected that. Um, yeah. Okay.
Which one do we want to select? I guess is the question.
Yeah, bootloader has to be SDA,
Okay.
and for the you need to that's only one selection. The other selection, the major selection, has to happen at the top there. You need to click on the one which says that Ubuntu thing there.
That
Yeah,
one?
yeah, and click on the change button which says change.
But what about this down here? Do we want to do anything on this?
It needs to be SDA.
But it's right now it's selecting the Windows one.
No. Select the drop down. Oh no. Click on the little down arrow.
Yeah.
On there, and
I guess it would be this one here that we choose, right?
what does it say? It doesn't. I can't read it.
SDA 6 Ubuntu 16.04.3 LTS.
No, not that one. What is the first one in that list?
First one is ATA ST 93204 blah 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 320.1 gigabytes.
Yeah, and the top one.
That's the top one.
Okay, select that one. Select that one, and now click on the
change.
Yeah.
Now it says edit partition size.
It's ext4, isn't it? Somewhere it says ext4.
No, it says edit partition, and then it gives a size and a plus and a minus, and then it says use as or do not use a partition.
Oh, so presently I think do not use is showing up. If you click on that little down arrow there,
yeah,
and select as ext4.
Okay, that's at the top.
Yeah, click on that.
Okay,
and
now it says format the partition.
Yeah, click on that, and then
mount point. What's that?
Yeah, mount point. You need to put a slash. Yeah, the first one there. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
And say hit OK. And then click on the one which says Windows. Click on the one which says, that one.
Yeah.
And then say change.
Do I need to change down below?
No.
Okay. All right.
Change. Presently it says probably do not use. Click on that. Click on the down arrow and say NTFS somewhere there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
NTFS, yeah.
yeah. Select
There's,
that.
there's only one. So
Yeah.
now it's, do I format this
No,
partition?
no. You don't. You should not.
And then
Uh,
mount point?
mount point. You need to probably type in. You just say slash. So you
Yeah,
can select the slash there.
yeah.
Select it and then click the mouse there next to the slash, and then you type in Windows.
Okay.
So you're sure the format thing checkbox is unchecked.
Yes.
Okay, we don't want to destroy
Oh,
the Windows thing. So yeah,
so click.
formatting is it'll format the
Yeah,
partition. We don't want that. So yeah,
right. Okay.
click OK.
Yeah.
Um, yeah, now it should be continue.
No, the choice is install now or back or quit.
Okay. What is the option that is selected for the bootloader?
Dev SDA ATA ST93 blah 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 1 gig 320.1 gigabyte.
Okay. Yeah. So that uh, looks right. So then click on install now.
Okay. Write the changes to disks, question mark. If you continue, the changes listed below will be written to the disk.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you will be able to make further changes manually. Warning, this will destroy all data and any partitions you have removed, as well as on the partitions that are going to be formatted.
Okay.
So
And does it say which one is going to be formatted?
it says the following are going to be formatted. Partition number 6,
Mm-hmm.
SCSI, I guess it is, 1.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So that's SDA as extension 4. And then it says partition number 5
Mm-hmm.
as a swap, it says.
Okay. There are I see there are 3 lines there, but
No, it just says the following partitions are going to be formatted. That's the first line.
oh, okay,
And
okay.
then the next two, they're just 2 listed there.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Yes. Yes.
All right, continue.
Mm-hmm.
It's starting to whirl.
Okay. Okay. Just come to
Oh, here we are. We're in Vancouver, so that's the time zone.
mm-hmm.
You now the keyboard layout. So I chose the UK one.
Mm-hmm.
Continue.
And probably select the okay. Yeah.
Now it's asking for my name.
Yeah. And you can key in the same password you keyed in. I think
Yes,
you noted down somewhere, didn't you?
I did. I know
Yeah.
where it is. I think I know where it is. Here it is. Found it. Not very far away. Okay, it says it's a good password, require my password for login. So there's what what should I
Yeah.
leave it?
Mm-hmm. Continue. Hopefully it will install the bootloader.
Well, it's copying files right now.
Okay.
That sounds hopeful. Now, what was the other question? You said how do I do the past ones? Is that what you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll go out of here and go back to all pages. And down here, I have previous circles.
Mm-hmm.
So basically, I just put them into a table.
Mm-hmm.
So I put the thumbnail and a link back to that page of that particular one
Mm-hmm.
there,
Mm-hmm.
and then I just put a summary, and
Okay.
basically the summary is the same one that I put in YouTube.
Okay. So the thumbnail is a media file you upload every time.
Yes,
Oh,
I the thumbnail is the same one I use in YouTube.
yeah, you okay. You use the same thumbnail in the YouTube. You upload it to this website as well as media, and then select
Yeah,
that as
yeah,
the
yeah,
image to be shown.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now
That
what have we got here? Ubuntu-Mate welcome. Now I've got sound and video. Oh, it's just
it's still installing stuff. Yeah.
yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, so I mean, I don't know if anybody ever goes and looks there, but if anybody wanted to find something, that's how to do it.
Mm.
Oh, I see there's a space there that I could eliminate.
Mm.
Yeah.
And you are using the AMP plugin.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta go to plugins anyway because I see there's two to
Update.
yeah. Yeah. So I'm using AMP and that needs to be updated. And I'm using Yoast as my SEO.
Yeah, Yoast has seen two updates actually.
Yeah, they update quite frequently.
Yeah, there was a 6.1 and
Yeah.
then 6.1.1, something like that. No, 1.2, it
I'm
says.
at 1.2, yeah. Yeah, I like Yoast. To me it seems to and it might just be because that's what I started out with. But in over in Wealthy Affiliates, I think they automatically upload all-in-one SEO. So if you decide you don't want to use that one, then you can get rid of it and use the Yoast one.
Oh, yeah, same way I think with the GoDaddy hosting, which is what I'm using.
Right.
They install a couple of plugins
Right.
which at the moment I'm in two minds about. One of them is I see that it has an effect on the page construction. It helps in editing, but
Right.
I find it a little bit confusing. And there was a late new update, and the update has made it a bit worse, which is
Oh, right.
rather than make it simple and easier, they have made it slightly more, because what a page which I had created earlier, with this I find that if I use that editor, it's called as page builder.
Oh, oh, yeah.
Beaver.
But I've heard Jay talk about those page builders.
Hmm.
He says, "Get don't go there. There, it just complicates matters."
Yeah, so exactly. So
Yeah,
I'm thinking of getting rid of that, but
yeah,
I do need to see what I need to do something for the home page, because if I saw that even if I just disable the that plugin, my home page looks entirely different. There are four videos, and I've arranged them in
yeah,
two rows
yeah,
of two columns, four side by
yeah,
side, as four squares.
yeah.
When I disable this plugin, I see that they all follow one below the other. So,
Aha, right.
so it's
Well,
the.
and what your homepage looks like, or what your let's see, I'm done here. I'll go over and just open a new page, just so I can show you.
Mhm.
So all of this stuff here
Mhm.
seems to be dependent on the theme.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Yeah. Because I noticed when my theme, I was having some trouble with it, and
Mm.
in the process of needing to update, etc.
Mhm.
Especially this last line here seemed to not be there.
Oh.
So some of these things are, I think, theme dependent.
Ah. Yeah, maybe number of columns and
Yeah,
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 sidebars or not sidebars, or yeah,
yeah,
things like that.
yeah.
Mm.
Anyway, how come I'm still showing installed plugins as still needing one to update? Where is it? Yeah, I probably have too many. I mean, what was it? Somebody asked Jay the other day, how many plugins are too many? Because they
Mm.
slow your system down.
Yes, they do, and there are two speeds actually. One speed is the speed with which a page would load.
Yeah,
Second one is speed with which the page gets created.
yeah,
Um, so the second one will have an impact on. I mean, Jay was also talking about going for dedicated uh, web server and so on. If you go for a dedicated web server, the second aspect more or
yeah,
less gets taken care of, as in
yeah,
the speed by which a page gets created is taken care of by the resources that you have. But plugin would still affect the um, the speed by with which it gets loaded at
yeah,
the. I mean,
yeah,
somebody browses to your website a specific page. how much time it takes for them to see
Yeah,
the final
yeah,
page. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. So this is the other one that let's see.
Hmm.
This one I have deactivated. I could probably get rid of that one.
Mm.
I'm just using that one. I don't he I did purchase,
Hmm.
and then he did something else, and I guess I don't know. I
Oh,
just I
so
just
now you're using a free version. Is that what you're saying?
No, I paid for it initially, but I was one of his very first customers.
Hmm.
So things have changed since then. So I had,
Yeah.
yeah.
Social warfare.
That's the links to and being able to share to like from your page.
Yeah. No, I'm trying to remember the name of the author or.
Oh yeah, I can see his face, but I can't say his name. Yeah, young guy, quite young.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, I probably have too many plugins, but I need this one. This one I'm using instead of the one that everybody else uses.
Hmm.
And notification bar that I use.
Notification bar notifies you for about what and how does it notify?
No, it I'll have to show you the page. This thing up here is called a notification bar.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So I use that.
That brings up you automatically shows the latest one and things like that.
Here, no, it's just this. It's whatever you put in there, and so it's just a link to a 10-week course for somebody to sign up for.
Mm. But that
So yeah, I mean it's not active. Like if you can go in and change anything in there, but it doesn't change automatically. You have to do it.
oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was looking for something which would actually automatically pick up the latest um, say for example, in your case, if um, you have an event scheduled for next Tuesday, so
Right.
if a button can show up there, that would make it better.
Yeah.
That's my view. Yeah,
Yeah.
but
There's
I'm yet to.
there's no end to what you can what you can decide to do.
Yeah. Oh, what happened to the laptop? It has
Oh,
gone blank.
it's gone black, but
If you move the mouse or.
installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. What does it say now?
Oh,
Blank? Nothing?
no, it's got a
Doing
whole
something.
lot of started network manager. Okay, reach target network is online. Starting something or other compatibility. Okay.
Mm.
Uh, it's just running. It seems to be doing a check.
Okay.
Okay, please remove the medium now. So, and then
Mm.
press enter. So the disk drive just opened,
Okay.
and now press enter.
Okay. Uh, yeah, down arrow. Oh, you were a bit slow. Anyway, yeah, it's. I think now it's booting into Ubuntu.
It's at the top. It says Grub Boot Menu.
Yeah,
Okay, and there's where it's asking for a password.
yeah. Key in the password you gave.
Battery may be broken. Has a very low capacity. Well, it's plugged in.
Yeah. Um, yeah. I think it now shows the welcome screen.
Does, yep.
And okay. Um, Now your system has booted into Ubuntu. Uh,
Right.
you do need to install Google Chrome. Uh, is there some? No, don't close it. Uh, click on software. Is that the last?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, click on that. And okay, software boutique. Click on the globe symbol. You, yeah. Scroll down. Look for a browser. Oh,
Nothing.
up.
Tor browser.
No. Oh, globe. Was it?
Skype.
Uh,
Opera. Ice T plugin.
mhm.
FileZilla. Chromium. Flash player.
Oh, you can use Chromium, but it's slightly different from Google Chrome.
Right.
Uh, it's more or less similar. Or I can give instructions about how to install Google Chrome itself.
I'd much rather use Chrome.
Yeah, Google Chrome. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. I had somewhere along the way, something, I don't know which computer, some along the way, downloaded Chromium, and I just said, "Yeah, get me out of here." So
Yeah, Chromium is a little bit different. It's that same old problem of open source versus closed source versus what Google is using, and people are saying what Google uses is neither open nor closed, so it is clopen.
open. Okay. So there must be a way here. What's here? Games, graphics.
Yeah, you can go through that and may be able to find useful software, um, and all of that is free. So
Yeah.
uh, At the moment, yeah, I think you can hit the close button. Okay. Um, there must be a menu, I think, at the bottom, or is it at the top?
Applications,
Yeah,
places, systems.
yeah, applications. Click on applications.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You should have Firefox.
Firefox is there,
Yeah, click on that.
but it's not in the list. So I just need to click on the Firefox thing.
Hmm.
Browse the World Wide Web. Right now,
Did you?
it's trying to do something.
Yeah,
Okay. Ubuntu, Google.
yeah. Um,
I guess I need to put in the Chrome address.
yeah, you can actually say install Google Chrome on Ubuntu as a search, Google search. And Firefox, no, no, you can't do that there. You have to use the,
Down here?
yeah, because Firefox uses the searching thing differently. Install Google Chrome on Ubuntu. Okay.
Click down, load Chrome. Well, where the heck is it?
And not that. I think scroll down. There must be. Uh,
How to install, beginners, how to install. There's a video.
yeah. Look at the first software installation. How to install. Yeah. Ask Ubuntu. Yes. Scroll down. Um, yeah. Can you? You need to do what this says. Um, there, where the cursor. Yeah. That line. Yeah. Um, I can guide you to do that.
So what would I do? Click on this Google Chrome. There's a link there.
No, that takes you to Google Chrome download page, and that makes it even more complicated.
Oh,
Um,
follow the instructions.
has it taken the entire screen? Can you make it? Okay. Click and hold the title bar and drag it to one side. No, not that. One side, one. Okay. Left. Yeah. Go on till the corner of the, not at the top, at the middle. Yeah. Now release. So this is. It has taken half of the screen.
Yeah, we'll see
Other
that.
other half is visible. Um, Click on applications and other, no, not other, system tools and mate terminal.
And so now I've got to run a command as administrator, user root, use sudo command.
Yeah. Okay. You can do the same with this screen if you want, or you don't really need to. You can drag it to the other end of the screen and let it take the other half of the screen, but you don't need to. Now, if you select what it says there, I think it says wget. Does it say that? The article that
Oh, down here.
yeah, I think you need to select.
It says add key. Follow
Yeah,
the instructions. Add
yeah,
key.
yeah. Copy that whatever is there in that thing from there till the end of that.
And put it up here. There's
Control.
a
Yeah, you need to copy the entire thing. I think there is a horizontal scroll bar, which is a bit annoying there.
well, let's see. But there's a ThinkPad something something and then dash. There's a dollar sign there.
Mm. Yeah, if you copy the entire line there,
Over and
control.
above, leave the dollar sign there or add to it.
Mm, no,
Okay.
dollar sign doesn't really. You don't need the. You don't need the first dollar sign. Everything else you need to copy.
You know what? It didn't copy.
So
So now how do I get back over there? Here it is. So do I just do the HTTPS or there's a -0 dash HTTPS and then all of that?
minus dash. Wait. Let me check myself. Install. What was the search term you gave?
Say
Google
again?
Google Chrome on.
So I said install Google Chrome on Ubuntu.
And is it? It's an Ask Ubuntu article, isn't it? Yes.
Ask Ubuntu.
Yeah. Oh, first one is add key, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It starts with the wget -q -o minus HTTPS.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So you need all of that, starting from the wget as well. All of that. Put the cursor at the beginning of wget. Go
Yeah.
on.
Control C. Control V.
I
It
think
doesn't. There's no. It
I
doesn't
think
work.
it ends with the minus. Add minus
Yeah.
at the last
And
one.
I tried a Control C and a Control V, and it doesn't work.
No, if you do a Control C there, and now you take the mouse cursor to the black window that you
Yeah.
created. Click mouse on top of that window,
Yeah.
and then you do Control. No, I think you need to do Shift
It doesn't.
Insert. Shift Insert.
Where is insert?
Insert is probably next to delete. Top row of the key.
No, I don't have. Oh, yes, I do. All right. Shift insert. There.
Does it
Okay.
appear on the
Yeah.
screen there? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hit enter. It'll ask you for the password, I think.
Again.
Yeah. Is it asking for the password or no?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. Then you need to key in the password because you're adding it as a super user.
But it's not showing anything. So I mean I'm trying to add the password, but it's not letting me type anything in.
No, it's once you asks for the password, you key in the password. It will not show anything on the screen.
Oh, good. So now I started a couple of times because it wasn't showing anything. So now I don't know what's in there.
Yeah, you can hit backspace and or if you hit enter, it will say invalid password and start again.
Okay. So now I get Lowell Ann ThinkPad. It didn't do anything. It said, I got a message that said okay, but nothing has happened.
To add something, you need to hit enter. Does it say that?
Nope.
Oh,
So when
sadly,
I typed in the password, it gave the message okay. Now the next line is Lowell Ann at Lowell Ann ThinkPad T4110 number sign or a dollar sign.
oh, I actually can't see anything on the screen. So, yeah, on the other side. Move it to the other side. Okay, that's better. Um, oh, you need to you did you need to do the shift insert again.
Okay.
Shift insert. Enter. What does it show on the screen?
The same old thing.
Oh, it didn't do anything. Um, there are 3 lines there. There is a 4th line. Is it okay there?
Yes, that's what it says.
Okay, and then there are 3 lines.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that means it has added it. Okay, then we need to go to the next line in the instructions there.
Okay. It says set repository.
Yeah, and the line starts with the echo
Yeah.
deb arch AMD 64 blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Again the whole thing.
Oh, come on. Okay, Control C. Shift Enter or Insert.
Shift insert, yes.
Okay, Enter.
Yeah. What does it say? I can't see anything.
It said DEB Arch equals AMD 64
Mm-hmm.
Then it goes http://dl.google.com, Linux, Chrome, Deb, stable, main. Then it gives me that enter line again. Okay, here's the install. I'm assuming that I go to the next line on this installation thing and copy it.
Yeah, but did it do that? What the previous line? I'm not able to see. Can you show me the screen? Yeah, there were no errors.
No?
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, the next instructions. Install, yeah, sudo apt-get update. You can copy both the lines and copy paste.
I may have copied too much. I'm not sure.
That's okay. Is it waiting for you to enter something, or has it? Oh, it's downloading.
Yeah.
It's downloading. Oh, previous position was better. I could see something. Yeah. Is it okay? It is still downloading. I think, yeah, once the download is done, you would see the Chrome icon under, where would you see it? You would see it under applications, internet, and under you probably saw only Firefox earlier, and Google Chrome will be just below that. Is it done now?
Well, it's gone back to the place where it's it's looking for an entry right now.
Okay, hit enter. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That I think is done. You can just hit Control D. It should close that window.
Yeah.
Okay. And now look at applications. Take the mouse to applications.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, and if you right click on it, it gives options to add to the panel or desktop. You can add a panel is what you see at the top and the bottom, those two lines. And desktop is desktop.
Yeah.
So you can do both of them. Add it to the panel and add it to the desktop.
Okay.
Yeah, now you can start.
So I can close this other thing out now.
Yeah, yeah, you can close Firefox. Yes. Open Google Chrome.
Make Google Chrome the default. Automatically send usage statistics and crash reports to Google.
Yes. Welcome to Chrome. There you are. You have two-step verification setup, or you haven't?
I do.
Okay, that is good.
Isn't that weird? The @ sign, it comes out as a quotation mark.
Oh, the keyboard is American. has taken the American keyboard.
No, I chose the British keyboard.
Yeah, but somehow, yeah, to let us log in first, and then we'll handle that. If you, I think the at symbol will be there on the shift 2, number 2.
That's what I was doing, and it doesn't. It gives me a quotation mark.
Oh, oh, so in that case,
What
at
happens if I use the quotation mark? There it is.
yeah. I think what has happened is your keyboard is not UK keyboard. Your keyboard is probably US keyboard, but your language is set to UK English, something like that. Or that's what you need.
Password, where is it? I've discovered that almost every time you want to do something with Google now, you have to manually put your password in. Okay, now I have to get the 578. Oh, it went away. Come back.
Oh, it needs to show the thing on the phone.
Yes. 578-657. Link my Chrome data to this account. Yes.
Yes.
Chrome Sync, personalized Google service. What to manage sync and personalization before they're turned on. Now, what does that mean?
Yeah, whether it's the same option you get when you install Chrome for the first time.
Do you have any idea how long ago that was?
I would say it depends on what you do on your desktop. For me, I sync everything to Google server, so I select all of them and say
your bookmarks, just a minute now. Your bookmarks, history, passwords, and other things will be synced to your Google account so that you can use them on all your devices.
Yeah.
That's the one I would use. Google. Okay, it says, okay, got it. All right. Yeah, okay. What else?
Yeah, I can't see what you're doing, but yeah.
Well, I've lost the call. I can't find the call now.
Oh, but you're still on the Hangout. It says.
There we go. Found it. Okay, so everything here looks the way it does everywhere else.
But the camera is still muted on the phone, I think.
No.
Because your profile picture is showing up in the thumbnail.
It's not showing it's not showing when I'm looking at this. And I'm seeing it says I'm almost done. You can't see that?
No, on the phone I am seeing your profile.
I'm not seeing that at all.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so we are almost done for
Anyway,
now. Yeah,
yeah.
so
It says next, click the LastPass browser button
mm,
to create your account or log in.
mm. Yeah, so I think your laptop is ready for use now.
Just a minute, just a minute. Add to browser, create account. Next, click the LastPass browser button. Where the hell is that? Oh,
LastPass. Oh, you are using the LastPass.
yeah, I am, but I don't understand the.
Oh, and I'm not seeing what you are seeing. So
Well, this is weird because I mean I can see what's on my screen
hmm.
in
On
on
the phone, drop the connection and come back in. Maybe then it'll show. I don't
so
know. I'm just yeah.
okay.
Okay. But that
Proceed.
your computer is at least booted. Yeah, the microphone is working on the phone.
Okay, try that. Oh no. I've got everything. I've got everything turned down. So what?
Hmm.
What?
You had the earphone plugged in into the phone.
It still is.
The mic is still working on the phone.
There.
Yeah, now it is.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry. So there's what I'm seeing.
Mm-hmm. You're almost done. Next, click the LastPass browser button above to create your account or log in. Uh,
And see this little thing here?
mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh,
Oh,
maybe there's something at the top there, one of the tabs.
log in. Here we go.
Yeah.
Got to put the phone down for a minute.
Okay.
Ah, what? We got to fix that. That will never work.
What? Which one?
Everything in the wrong place.
Oh, you mean the keyboard?
Yes.
Mm.
Okay, let me make sure I've got that. Okay. Oh, it says invalid password. Crap. Let's go back again.
Probably because, yeah, keyboard is mixed up.
Is different.
So shall we fix the keyboard first before you?
Maybe.
Yeah.
So what do I do?
Um. Okay. Put the phone back on the, yeah, so that I can see. Um,
I'm just trying to put this on the clip so that it doesn't change the volume.
hmm. Oh, yeah. I think that was what was happening. Probably the clip would hit the volume button.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Okay, right now.
Yeah.
There, can you see? There.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Quick start, free email, new tab.
Hmm. Yeah. We need to fix the
The
keyboard thing.
keyboard. Yeah.
Um, Go to system, preferences, hardware. And keyboard. Is the one which says layouts?
Yep, that's where I am.
Yeah, and probably you need to select one which matches your keyboard.
But I don't see anything. I don't see any layout.
Um. Oh. What does it say when you go to? Does
It
it
says
say?
separate layout for each window, new window, use active Windows layout.
Yeah, but at the top line, just below the layouts, what does it say? Does it say English
English,
UK?
yeah.
English UK, English UK extended, uh,
It just says
whatever.
English UK.
Yeah, you need to click the add button there, just below that. Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's Afghani.
Yeah, you need to select the.
Good grief.
Maybe if you select Canada there, it shows.
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Although, just a minute. Canadian first part, multilingual.
Canada, when for Canada, it says variants French and probably English, maybe there. I
Oh,
don't
look,
know.
you can even get a Inuktitut. I want English and French at least. So that seems to be the one. French Canada, English Canada.
Hmm. It does show you a keyboard layout. Just see if the keyboard layouts match with what actually is there.
What's that?
Which one?
That's Alt. What is that? Don't. Oh, that's Windows.
Super one, is it? Yeah,
Yeah.
super one would be the Windows key. They can't call it Windows because Microsoft
You're right.
sued
Okay.
them.
And control. All right. I never use that. I never use that key anyway. I have no idea what it does.
Yeah, I think it. Yeah, exactly. Only Windows uses that.
But
But
what I
that,
would really like to know is where eAcute is. But I don't see it anywhere here.
no, does it? Where is it on your actual keyboard? And compare that to what you see on the.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm doing.
Mm. E,
French.
yeah, E acute. Oh, the E with
French.
umlaut and yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't
Mm.
see it here anywhere.
Isn't it? Mm.
So what? I mean, there's really
Must be there towards the left. I see. Uh, Sorry, towards the right, near the right shift key. Yeah, there. What's the one next to that?
this one here.
Yeah.
Question mark and slash.
Oh, for me, which one have you selected? Country is Canada and variant.
And French Canada, English Canada. Those when you choose Canada, that's all you've got.
Mm.
Well, there's French Canada. No, that's French. French. There's only one that has French and English. There's in the choices variants. Oh, by language. Let's look at that. What's Akan? I have
That
no
is.
idea what that is.
It is Ghana something. Oh, it shows you all the languages in the world, I think.
Yes. Variants.
Yeah.
English. Good heavens. The English have been around, haven't they?
Mm. English, Ghana, Nigeria, UK.
There's English US,
Mm.
but I don't see English Canada. Huh. Unless it's way up at the top. Cameroon, Ghana, Nigeria, UK, US. All kinds of US. Then there's Filipino and Irish, and there's nothing in there for Canada. Okay. So I guess I would choose English UK. My country, Canada. Okay. Well, let's see what happens.
Oh, uh,
Keyboard model. What does that mean? Options. That one doesn't mean anything to me at all.
um, I'm seeing what you were seeing before, and then I went back to by country and selected Canada as the country, and variants I selected French.
So now I'm back where it says Afghanistan again.
Select
Canada.
Canada.
And French.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, does it match what you have? You were looking for the E.
Acute, yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. I see it. It's down here.
Yeah, does it match what's on the actual keyboard location? More or less.
I think so. Period, commas, M. Yeah, I think that one key over there next to the shift is where the E acute is. Good.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, then select that.
Close.
Click, say add, and
Oh,
then
I goofed. Preferences,
go back.
hardware, keyboard, layout.
Keep. Is
There
it
was no,
added? There are
yeah,
two.
it's got English UK, French Canada, English Canada, and French.
Yeah, if you select the French Canada one and select that and click on the move up button,
Yeah.
it goes up, and then hit close. That should.
Maybe I could take the French Canada, English Canada off. Could I take that off?
Yeah, you can, but you.
No, I'll leave it there.
Yeah, for now.
Close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Now
So,
try the keyboard.
so is there something in here that's like just a notepad or something?
Your browser. Open the browser. You had, I think, browser is open.
Yeah.
There is the tab open there at the bottom. Anyway, yeah.
Nope. It's still giving me quotation marks for
Oh. Yeah, probably you need to
reboot.
log out and log in. Not necessarily reboot, but log out and log in. Yeah. Um, System, and go to system. There is one which is log out. And then you say if there is a delay 50 seconds or something, or you can hit there must be another logout button there. If you hit that, it logs out immediately.
Now it says a program is still running, not responding.
Oh,
Waiting for
which is
program to finish. Interrupting the program may cause you to lose work.
which was Chrome, I think, wasn't it?
It's AT-SPL-registry-desktop.
Oh, I see there are three things open there at the bottom. I see three things there.
Oh, so I should close that?
Yeah. That's one. That's your, okay.
Log out anyway?
Yeah. No, didn't log out.
Nope. Try again.
Yeah. Is somebody knocking your door?
Was upstairs. Something. They're doing something upstairs.
Oh.
There we go.
Okay. Now login.
So answer me a question. If I decided I wanted to get into Windows here, what would I do?
Oh, I can show that after you log in now. You'll have
Well,
to reboot. You will
yeah.
have to reboot
Okay.
to show you
All
that.
right.
Yeah.
So, but I'm going to log in to see whether we
Yeah.
can. So. They must be doing some reno work upstairs in one of the. My poor old phone is getting hot.
Ah,
Nope, it's still showing an exclamation point. And
yeah, it looks like we are missing something in either one which says make it a default. Let me check here. Layouts, options.
yeah, it's reversed. Everything's reversed.
Um, yeah, I'm back at that same keyboard thing. When you select one of the, you select the top one there, which is French Canada, and then at the bottom there is it says type to test settings. You need to click the mouse there in that little box and then start typing.
Yeah. And so I'm proving right here that it's still, when you hit the at key, it does a quotation mark. And when you hit the quotation mark, it hits, it does at. So I wonder what happens with shift 3.
Oh, and in which case probably you need to remove the second one and then.
I wonder if the English UK is the problem, because I'm getting, yeah. I think what I'm going to do is go in there and do the
Remove the English UK.
Yeah, but by country, let's do English. By language, wait now.
No, you no, you actually need to just select the English UK one and then hit remove.
That's what I did.
Okay, but it is still showing up there. There are two lines there, isn't it?
Yeah. Now I've got French Canada. Maybe I need to just leave the French Canada, English Canada. Take that one out. Let's see what happens. All right. Now let's see what happens. Now it's doing what it should do.
Okay.
It's the UK thing that's the problem.
Mm.
Yeah, because I don't need a pound sign.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
I think.
If you close it, close the window there, and now, yeah, okay, you're testing.
Yeah. It looks okay. So what do I get down here? I'm going to close. I'm going to delete those.
No, no need to worry. Just hit close.
Now I just want to see whether I get French here.
Okay.
What do I get here? Oh, look at that. I hit that and my screen went black.
Yeah, I think it was the sleep button. Did you press the sleep button or
No,
screen?
I pressed the button right next to shift to see whether the E acute was there, and it
Oh,
went black. So now what do I do?
hit enter.
No.
Move the mouse. Oh, okay. Maybe it's time to reboot. Yeah, as soon as the next screen comes, hit down arrow key.
Advanced options. Memory test, Windows. Oh, I see. There's
Yeah.
where the Windows loader is. Okay.
So if you select the Windows option and hit return, let's see if it boots. It should.
Yep. Oh, look. Repairing automatic repair.
Oh, okay. So yeah, that I Windows repair, I don't really know how to handle. Oh, seems to have. Oh, diagnosing. But it seems to be quicker now, isn't it?
Yep.
What is it saying?
The PC did not start correctly. Press restart to start, which can sometimes fix the problem.
Okay.
Can also press advanced options to try other options to repair your system. Let's try this one this time.
It brings you back to that other screen where you have to hit the down arrow key again.
Yeah.
You have to do it quickly. I think within 30 seconds or something. Yeah, I had those problems with the Windows 7, and I had to go through several hoops to. It's the problem with Windows. So
Continue, exit and continue, troubleshoot, turn off your PC. Choose an option.
which is the first one?
Continue, edit, exit, and continue to Windows 10.
Yeah. Continue to Windows 10. Oh. Again, down arrow.
It's interesting. I've got that, Sarah. Look, it's just right back. It's on a perpetual loop.
Well, is this the loop that you were seeing earlier?
Yeah.
I wonder what happens if you select the other option.
Which one? This one?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. What is it saying?
Reset this PC. Lets you choose to keep or remove your personal files and then reinstalls Windows.
And the other option is?
Advanced options, system restore, system image recovery, startup repair, command prompt, startup settings, go back to previous version.
What's the third one from the?
Startup repair.
Oh, try that. It's the same. Ah, I'm wondering when we installed Ubuntu, one of them it was saying unknown or something. I think probably that's where it stores restore information. So, but if you restore it, it goes back to um, Ubuntu. It would undo everything that Ubuntu had done.
We did,
So,
yeah. Well, I mean, doesn't really matter. As long as it's still there, in case I,
yeah.
like I said, I might give this to Peter,
Mm.
and in that case, I would just go in and remove Ubuntu.
Mm. Yeah. So yeah, let's restart into Ubuntu. What happened?
Well,
Shut down?
I
Is it?
told it to shut down, so now I think it must have just shut down. It didn't. It wasn't a reboot, I guess.
Mm. Okay.
Okay, so what do I do here? Just hit enter?
Yeah.
It says up and down to select, enter to boot, E for edit, C for command file.
Mm. Oh, the password you selected does not have any of those
No,
characters which get
no,
affected by the keyboard.
no,
No. Okay. That would have been disastrous.
it would have. Absolutely. Okay, we can close this, and now I want to go here.
And now let's see what.
If I can get my LastPass to work.
What is it saying?
It just said restore.
Oh. Now try the keyboard in the Google search box.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, now try LastPass. There must be a LastPass tab. Okay.
There is. Yeah. I wish I could see the visual.
Mm.
Oh, isn't that interesting? It doesn't give me the visual. It just gives me a keyboard.
Oh, it shows you the visual keyboard, I think.
Yeah, that's all it does.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. If it shows you the visual keyboard, okay. Through the visual keyboard, you should be able to get through.
Now, That looks okay. Now my Wise stamp. Log in with Google, I guess. Okay, that looks okay.
So it has started your Gmail.
Yep, it's there.
Okay, yeah. So
I think it's
Wise,
fun.
yeah. If you click on the if you click on the Gmail and the Hangout, you could probably try joining the Hangout from that laptop. You probably.
There's my web clipper.
You probably, yeah, you would probably need to drop out of the phone because you are already logged in twice.
Yeah. Well, all right, let's do that. The phone is just burning hot now.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Okay. Try joining the same Hangout from the.
Click here, it says, to enter.
Yeah.
I need to plug this in. I just don't know where to do it. Sorry. Where does this go? Okay, what happened? Oh.
You could possibly drop off from the other from your desktop, but I am not seeing your. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm seeing you from the laptop. Am I? Yes, I'm seeing you from the laptop.
Okay, so let me. I've never done a Hangout from the laptop before, so I don't know how it works.
Yeah.
Just a second, I got some wires all screwed up here. Oh yeah, okay.
Yeah, the camera is pretty low resolution and probably it is not helped by the light that is shining right into it, probably.
So it's important to adjust that.
Yeah. How about unplugging the webcam from your desktop and plugging it in here? plug it in, and then Hangout settings, the gear wheel.
Yeah. It's not much
No,
better, is it?
no, you're still using the laptop webcam, I think.
No, I'm using
Are you sure?
the well,
I'm not. I'm not sure.
it
Yeah, I
says
think you're still using.
HD webcam 9C920,
Oh, okay.
and the camera's on.
Hmm.
So
Yeah. Now the problem is physical location. Probably you need to
of course, yeah,
move the laptop to. But other than that, I think the problem is the light behind you
yeah,
because of the physical location.
yeah. Because I'm usually faced this way with the light shining on my face.
Yeah. Can
Yeah,
you not just lift the laptop and put it there?
I'm just moving my
Lamp.
overhead lamp. That
It
helps a
just
little bit, but not much.
made you more blue. You are a blue-blooded royalty.
Yeah. Speaking of royalty, we're all fascinated by the Queen and all her machinations with the upcoming wedding.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah. There is a big controversy going on with the will the will they invite Obama and Mrs.
Oh
Obama?
yeah, Michelle. Yeah.
Yeah, while they don't really want to invite Trump.
Well, that's certainly understandable.
Yeah, but that from general point of view, but that certainly can create political.
Oh yeah, big time.
But today I read on the news that apparently Trump is calling off his proposed visit
His
to
visit.
London.
Yes, I heard that this morning. Now I'm looking to see where can I turn up my headset volume.
Oh,
Let me see.
um, in the Hangout thing itself, there is the control room.
Yeah,
There you can
yeah,
increase. The other one is on the laptop. Uh, on one of the panels, yeah, where there is the system and uh, where there is the system and applications places system there on that same panel.
yeah.
One of the towards the other end, probably you see the speaker icon and the clock and things like that.
Yeah,
Let
under
me.
administration.
No, 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 no. Let me show you. Here, I'm sharing the entire screen. Do you see
Yeah,
something like that?
yep.
There is the speaker. So I click on that, and then I
Oh, wait,
can.
wait, wait, wait. Where did you see the speaker? Oh, down at the bottom.
Yeah.
See, I'm not seeing that at all.
Oh.
All that's on the bottom right now is, oh wait, no, what's over here? No. All that's on the bottom is the little icon for Chrome and trash can.
Oh, nothing else on this towards the other end? No.
Just
Oh,
click here to hide all windows and show the desktop.
oh, okay. If you take the mouse there and right click, then add to panel.
It says lock to panel, remove from panel, about, or help.
Yeah, add to panel. Click on add to panel.
It doesn't. There's no add to panel available.
There must be, because I know why. Probably it is locked. If you go to no,
It is locked. There's a check mark beside lock to panel.
yeah, unlock it by clicking on the tick mark.
Okay.
Should go away. And then if you go, when you go back, it should show you add to panel.
No. Remove from panel, lock to panel, about, and help.
Oh, you need to keep the mouse where it is a empty area of the panel.
Oh, there's add to panel. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Oh.
Add to panel. You can add so many things that you can add the indicator applet. You can add
So what on earth is that?
that shows you if there is any message indicate. No, you don't really need that. No, sorry. You can have the shutdown applet. You can have the.
Where's that? Oh, there it is. That one. That would be a good one to have. So add. Okay. There's a timer. I wouldn't mind having a timer there. Or just the clock. I think the clock would be. I saw that up above. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. That one. Right? So, battery charge monitor. That's probably a good one to have, eh?
Yeah, there must be one for speaker and things like that. I'm trying to see.
Yeah. Fish. Display of swimming fish or another animated character. Now, why would I want to do that?
There are people who do that, but yeah, for their own reasons.
Whatever that might be. Okay, main menu. Menu. Run applications, search for files. Oh, I want that one there. Timer. Trash is already there. Weather report. No, there's nothing that seems to indicate a speaker.
Speaker. speaker probably. Oh, what happens if you? There must be on my laptop. It is there is a function key and one of the arrow keys. When I hit the function key, it becomes change the brightness of the screen or the
What's that?
yeah
There.
speaker volume.
No. Where is your function key? Oh, there. Nothing.
Function key and one of these
F1, 2, 3,
function key is
whatever.
red, isn't it? On my keyboard at least, function
No.
key
On
is
mine
marked
it's
as red.
blue.
Okay.
So,
Is there anything on the arrow keys? Is there anything which is marked in blue?
just a minute now. I'm looking on the function keys.
No, not the function key at the top. On my laptop, there is a at the bottom of the keyboard there is control key. Then
Yep.
there is a special FN key, and then there is
That's
a
the
Windows
Windows
key,
key.
and then there is the Alt
No.
key. So I was referring to
No,
the
I just
function
have
key.
function control, Windows, and Alt. But when I look at the function keys up there,
There must be one which says increase the volume and reduce the volume.
F6 has a headset. I'm going to hit it and see what happens. Absolutely nothing. What's that? Oh, here. Let's try this. I don't know. No, that's a speaker key.
Yeah. Does it increase the volume? Try reducing the volume. It may be already maximum. Reduce the volume and see if.
There, that's it. I found it.
Okay.
Yeah. It's in a very funny place.
Yeah, but yeah. So yeah, we have managed to do what we want.
I think we've done enough for one day.
Yeah.
Well.
And yeah, we managed to boot Ubuntu on your system. Installed Chrome. Yeah. Got you into the Hangout on Chrome on your laptop. Yep. You plugged in your C920 webcam onto the laptop. Mm-hmm. And you're talking to me using that. The other thing probably is your USB microphone, which you can try later. And oh, yeah. I think yeah. Other one is probably move the laptop to different location.
A more suitable location. Yeah.
Location. So I think we have done what we wanted to do. So I would say it's a good progress.
Yes. Thank you very much, Vivek.
Yeah.
So it'll be fun to play with this new Ubuntu system on my laptop.
Yeah, so. And I think your sound and I mean I don't see any camera lag when you're moving, talking. Other than light being too bright behind you, I see perfectly acceptable. So
yeah. Well,
so,
I was just gonna test my lower third here while we were talking, just to see how that works here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
So
all right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, I mean, at least if the next time there are problems with Windows, there is an alternative. I am set up now with an alternative, and I appreciate that.
Yeah. That was what we
That's what we
started.
started out to do. So thank you, Vivek. Namaste to
Namaste.
all my relations.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.